What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wiz back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over one of the best camera bags you can buy if you're a beginning photographer or filmmaker. Let's go. So the camera bag that I'm speaking about is this black camera bag I have right here by Neewer. This is pretty much a basic standard camera bag, and me personally, I really like just the form factor, the size, and the look of this thing. I'm not the type of guy that wants to carry around, a big old camera bag, make it look like I'm going on a ski trip or something. Now, I may get there as far as, things that I continue to acquire, and I may need a bigger bag at some point in the future. But like I said, this bag, in my opinion, is more geared towards beginners, people that aren't really carrying around a whole lot. However, you can carry around more than enough inside of here for getting projects done, whether you're taking photos or making video. So what I want to do right now is show you actually what I have inside the bag right now. So pretty much inside the bag, we have a Canon EOS R that is not mine, by the way. I rented this from Borrowed Lenses, and I must say I really love this camera, but I don't want to get off topic. We have the Canon EOS R with the mount adapter on there, as well as the 50mm lens. We also have the 85mm 1.4 Canon lens. Over here to the right, we have the RF, the only RF glass I have in here. We have the RF, this is a 35mm 1.8 also in here. And then too, I have my crop sensor, my 10 to 18mm crop sensor vlogging lens right here. Over here in this little compartment right here is a lav mic by Boya I got up in there. I have my external flash, really just to show just the size factor of the type of things that you can fit inside the bag. I have the camera charger to the EOS R, as well as the bottom lens cap. And I have just an extra lens hoods and caps to the lenses that I'm using on the camera I'm recording on my T7i, and the back of the cap of the mount adapter, as well as the 50mm that's on the EOS R. Now in the pouches here, I have my shotgun external microphone, as well as some extra batteries for my T7i, which I'm recording on. And in the top zip pouches, I have my indie filters, as well as my step-up rings and more step-up rings. Now on the outside of the bag, I'm not keeping much, but you can also put some stuff on these outside pouches. I have some extra batteries. Now I'm actually recording right now on a wireless microphone, so I just went ahead and put the batteries inside the system and just put the extra batteries in here just in case I need batteries for my flash or just batteries for whatever. I got this handy dandy screw right here, which pretty much if I'm in need of a screw, if I'm in need to tighten something, loosen something up, I'll have that with me just in case. And on the other side, it's actually just some extra weights for my glide cam, which I just went ahead and stuck on there. And also too, on this side, there is a strap if you wanna mount your tripod to the side of your bag. So just so you know, if you ever wanted to change the form factor of the inside of the bag, these dividers here are removable. So, if you got different types of lenses, flashes, cameras, you name it, you can change the sizing of pretty much the type of item that you can put in each individual pouch. Now, one thing I haven't spoken about yet about this bag is the build quality. As you can see, the build quality is very good. It's a nice material, very sturdy, just very well put together. Neewer, pretty much for me, has a reputation of making very good products at a cheap price, and this bag is no different. It's also waterproof and shockproof as well, so I believe that this will last me for years to come, and even if I do ever upgrade to a bigger bag, I'll always keep this around if I just want to travel light and just have a small bag. Now, as far as the price of this thing, I got it off of Amazon for $29.99, so very cheap, very good value in that price. So if you're looking for a camera bag and you're a beginner, I would say that this is the perfect first camera bag to buy. And also too, if you are interested in buying it or just checking it out on Amazon, the link to this bag is in the description below. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, if you can just give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Make sure you come back and check out my channel. I post videos about cameras, camera gear, also fitness too. So go ahead and check your boy out. If you like those vibes, also subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, baby.